Let me begin this video with the basic fact of life. We are what we are because of the people who are in our lives. Our real value is not the balance in our bank accounts, nor is it the professional designations that we carry or the social status that we have built. Our true worth is how many people stand by us when you get off all the tags that we have proudly flaunted. In few words, our network is our net worth. The common misconception that most people carry is that network is only a professional terminology and has no relevance in our personal lives. This video would give you an insight to establish the understanding that why networking not only helps you build things from scratch but also enables you leveraging your potential and unearthing hacks that act as a catalyst for your overall growth. The dictionary states the meaning of network as a group or system of interconnected people or things. The concept of networking means interacting with others to exchange information and developing professional or social contacts. We live in a world where the 5 W's are of critical importance: who, what, where, when, and why. While what we know is a great capability inherent to us, who we know is something that cannot be shunned off. In fact, who we know matters more at times than what we know. The question that you need to ask yourself is that how can you be excellent at networking? Do you need to be an extrovert? Is socializing essential to build connections? Does reaching out to those who are more superior to you in social or professional capacity feels like an uphill task? While networking is a broader topic that needs detailed understanding, let us briefly look at some ground techniques that will help you build a larger and stronger network. The first rule of building network is don't write off yourself short. We often feel hesitant assuming that the other person would not be interested in connecting with us. Never underestimate what you can bring on the table for them. Secondly, do not build connections with the sole purpose of benefiting from them. Networking is about relationship building, not a transactional affair. Thirdly, nurture your relationships. Stay connected and exchange pleasantries whenever possible. It could be wishing them on their special occasions, festive greetings, or even simple "How are you" message. Be in touch. Fourthly, choose wisely when you put them to use. In a generic scenario, you will use your network connections maximum 2 to 3 times on an average across lifetime of your relationship. Spend it well. And lastly, do justice by living up to it when using it to your advantage. Remember, your network connection puts their faith and trust when helping you out. While making the best use of it, ensure their word and respect is maintained. When you begin a new journey or take a step in a new direction, the perks of leveraging your network are multifold. A recommendation, a referral, or even a word helping you connect with the right people for expediting your work is something which not only accelerates your growth but also fast tracks your career. Keep building your network in personal and professional capacity, and you would reap the true fruits of it for a lifetime. Your network will open doors that will take you places where you aspire to be. I will leave you with this thought today and see you in my next video. Take care.